you have been uploading your videos directly to public, that is the reason why your videos have not been getting views, watch hour, and your channel has not been growing. Yes, while uploading your video, you will get to a section where you'll be asked to choose either public, private, unlisted, schedule, or premium. Yes, most YouTubers, especially the upcoming YouTubers, normally choose public, and that is totally wrong. It is very, very wrong for you to publish your videos to public immediately after uploading it. This has been killing your video view. The reason why you don't need to make your video go public immediately after uploading it is that you need to give the YouTube algorithm some time for them to properly analyze your video and know the people that are interested in your video, so that they can push that video to those people that are interested in that your niche. I want you to know something, that here on YouTube, it is not everybody that is interested in your niche, okay? Maybe you are into cooking niche, lifestyle, or AI. It is not everyone on YouTube that is interested. So after uploading your video, you need to give the YouTube algorithm some time for them to properly analyze your video and know the people that are interested in your video, so that they can push that video to those people that are interested in that your niche. Now, the question should be, which one should we choose? After uploading your video here on YouTube, you need to either put that video on private or unlisted. You can give it some hours. After some hours, you can now make that video go public, so that the YouTube algorithm will have enough time for them to study your description, your thumbnail, in fact, everything about your video, and then distribute your video to the right people. Now, the second tips that I want to share with you here is adding your videos to playlists. So many of YouTubers have been sleeping on this playlist of a thing. Most YouTubers don't even know how to organize their videos into playlists, and most of you don't even know how to make use of this playlist to blow up your channel. Yes, in this video, I am going to be telling you the importance of playlists and how you can make use of the playlist. I am not going to teach you how to create playlists, because I've already done video on how to create playlists. So if you don't know how to create a playlist, you can watch this video so that you can learn how to create a playlist. Then after this video, make sure you create playlists and start making use of playlists. Do you understand? In fact, I don't think there is any big YouTuber here on YouTube that don't make use of playlists. Now, this is how to make use of playlists. If you have created a playlist, like for example, let me show you mine, okay? So I'm going to show you my own playlist and how I make use of it. So this is my own playlist on my channel. You can see I actually have 3 playlists, but for your own, you can create more than 3 playlists. You can create up to 5, 10, 15 playlists. It depends. Do you understand? Now, I have organized this playlist. You can see this CapCut editing tutorial. These are for my editing. Do you understand? Because in this channel, I also teach people how to edit videos. So CapCut editing tutorial number 1. I organize all my videos that have to do with editing inside. Hold on, please, just follow this video step by step. Do not rush, because at the end of this video, your channel should start performing better. The second playlist here is YouTube growth tips. All of my tutorial about YouTube, they are into these YouTube growth tips. Now, the third playlist they are seeing there is Facebook monetization. What is the work of playlist and how will it help to grow your channel? Number 1 is this: it will help to organize your video. And number 2 is this: when you make use of playlists in your videos, YouTube will start suggesting more of your videos to people. Have you noticed that when you start watching a particular creator video, before you know, you'll be seeing more of the person's video? It's just because the person is actually making use of playlists. The person organized his or her video into a playlist. Now, when you do that, it will give YouTube a chance for them to recommend more of your video. Now, you don't want a situation whereby somebody will just stumble on your video, just one of your video, and that will be all. You want people to be seeing more of your video. Learn how to make use of your playlist. It is very, very important. Have you noticed that when you start watching a particular creator's videos, if you open YouTube, you will see that person's video tomorrow. Next tomorrow, when you open YouTube, you will see the person's video. In fact, it's even the person's video that will welcome you once immediately you open YouTube app. Don't you want your own videos to be like that? Do you understand? So organizing your video into playlists will help YouTube to be suggesting your videos for people. You can even copy your YouTube playlist link and paste it on your description. This video that I'm making now is actually about YouTube growth. You understand? Remember, I have a playlist that has to do with YouTube growth, because this video I'm making now falls under YouTube growth. So what I will do is this: while editing my video, I am just going to come here and copy this link, this playlist link. Just click on I'll just come here, click on this 3 dot line here. I'll click on this share. Then I'll copy the link. So that is to tell you that it even have a link. In the description, I'm just going to paste my playlist link there. Do you understand? Then apart from pasting it on my title description, I'm also going to add it during my end screen. Please, this is very, very important. Now, while uploading my video, that particular section that you get where they will ask you to add end screen or card, you can as well add even your playlist, not only video. That particular section, you can select your playlist and add your playlist there. This will help YouTube to start suggesting more of your videos to your viewers. So that whenever one person watches one of your videos, the person will be seeing more of your video. And then when people watches more of your video, you tend to grow very fast here on YouTube. Because if your aim is to monetize your channel very fast, please do not sleep on this video. Make sure you apply everything that I am telling you on this video, because this is one of the things that have been helping my videos to rank. You can see one of my videos, most of my video actually rank 1/10, 1/10. I mean most of my video. And most YouTubers think that YouTube recommend only the big YouTubers video. No. YouTube recommend everybody's video. Now, even if you have just 50 subscribers on your channel, YouTube will recommend your video. That is, if you use the necessary settings on your video, you will see that the way your video will start flying on the home tab, on YouTube home tab, because you did the right setting. You made YouTube to understand what your video is all about, and then you use the necessary setting. They will help because you give them less work for them to do, and then they will immediately start circulating and distributing your video. Please do not for any reason sleep on this. Do you understand? Another way that you can make use of this, your playlist, to grow your channel. For example, if you own other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, anywhere. For example, now, if I want to send somebody my videos here, I'm not just going to go and look for one particular video, take the link and send to the person. No, I am just going to copy my playlist link and send it to the person. When you give them the link that way, all the video there will be playing. When one stop, another one continue. When one stop, another one continue. Except the person pause it. Except the person do what? Pause it. That is the only way it will stop. So if you want to accumulate more watch hours on your channel, please, whenever somebody say, I want to watch your video, you say, come and watch my video, just copy a particular playlist. That is the importance of you now organizing your videos into playlists. For example, you are teaching people how to edit video. I copy that of editing. And if you have 20 videos inside how to edit, the person will come and watch all the 20 videos. Now imagine somebody watching 20 of your video. Watch hour, because because for them to understand, they want to get more details, so they will just watch to the end. So you are accumulating watch hour. So do not joke with playlists. If you don't know how to create playlists, I have told you, please, I have made a video. You can just go and create playlists immediately so that you can use playlists to blow up your channel. If your aim is to grow very fast here on YouTube, make sure you implement these two settings that I've just showed you now. All right. Now, with that being said, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Uche, and in this channel, I teach content creators how to grow and monetize their channel very fast and in an organic way. I also teach you mistakes that you want to avoid so that you don't have issues here on YouTube. So if this is what you want for your own channel, go ahead and do what, and hit the subscribe button. It's totally for free. And don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. We help each other to grow. Do you understand? So before you leave, go under the comment section, pick a creator and subscribe to his or her channel. Please do not only subscribe, or in fact, don't even subscribe to a channel that you not go and watch that video. Please, when you pick a creator, genuinely support the person by watching the person's video. Do you understand? Because we are here to grow together. And please don't forget to share this video so that it will get to more content creators out there who are willing to also grow their own channel. All right. So till my next, please stay connected and see you on my next one.